There have been, I'm sad to report now, 805 Victorians who have passed away as a result of this global pandemic, 3 since yesterday's report, 1 female in her 80s and 2 females in their 90s. All of these deaths are linked to aged care, and we again, of course, send our deepest sympathies and condolences to those 3 families. There are now just 34 Victorians in hospital. 4 of those are in ICU and 3 of those 4 are on a ventilator. A total of 2,733,499 test results have been received since the beginning of the year. That's 11,281 test results received since yesterday. Can I thank those more than 11,000 Victorians for going and getting tested? Arguably, there's nothing more important that anyone who's got symptoms can do than go and get tested as soon as they have a sense of those symptoms. As soon as those symptoms register, then don't delay for an hour, don't delay for a day. If you've got symptoms today, don't wait till Monday. Please go and get tested as soon as possible. That's how we can protect you, your family, and every family. And it's how we can hit the numbers we need to hit, the targets that we're aiming for. Those next steps will only be possible if we've got a public health response, if we're protecting every positive person that we can possibly identify. So again, sincere thanks to more than 11,000 people who went and got tested just a bit more than 24 hours ago. There are 35 healthcare workers who are active cases. The rolling average to the 2nd of October, Metro 12.8, Regional 0.1. The cases classified as unknown source, so mystery cases, between the 14-day period from 17 September to 30 September is now just 11 cases, and they are all in metropolitan Melbourne. There are only 2 active cases in regional Victoria, so that's a testament to all the commitment and the hard work of people right across regional cities, the smallest of country towns, all right across regional Victoria. We've got these numbers down and we're keeping them down, and that's a great credit to everybody in regional Victoria. In terms of aged care active cases, there are now 94 active cases in aged care. Disability facility settings, just 1 active case, which is a staff member. And in terms of total shifts worked by by hospital staff going into private aged care to provide care and support, that is now 4,832 shifts. And if I can again take this opportunity to thank all of our health workers, none of which would ever have thought they were going to be working in a private sector aged care facility, but they've gone and done that work, very challenging work, and they've done it incredibly well, and we're deeply grateful to them, not just for that work, but for all the work they do every single day. If I can just make a couple of general comments. These numbers are falling. This strategy is working. We just need to stay the course on this. It's only a few more weeks, but they're precious days though, because as each day unfolds, we get a clearer and clearer picture of how much virus is out there, what we're actually up against, and what steps can safely be taken. It's really important that no one does anything between now and the 19th of October to jeopardise everything that Victorians have done, everything that Victorians have given, everything that Victorians have sacrificed over these recent months. Some of the scenes at beaches, for instance, overnight are just unacceptable. No one has the right to break the rules and potentially put at risk everything that good, decent, law-abiding Victorians have created, have built. All of their sacrifice has to be worth something. And it's just not smart, and it's not fair, and it's not lawful. So I've spoken with the Chief Commissioner, and Victoria Police are out there today, and they will be out there throughout the weekend to make sure that people are doing the right thing. Not just for themselves, but for every single Victorian. We've all got a part to play. Those scenes were very disappointing. It's made a lot of people very angry, I think, that they're doing the right thing. They're staying the course. They can see just how close we are. Let's all of us not do anything that might contribute to more virus rather than less. That's not the strategy. Spending time at the beach without a mask, without social distancing now, will just mean that you won't get to go to the beach for all of summer. It just doesn't make any sense. So please, my message to every single Victorian, we're so close. Let's all of us do everything we can to follow the rules, to play our part, to get this job done, to defeat this second wave, to see this thing off and to find a COVID normal. COVID normal Christmas, COVID normal summer, COVID normal 2021. That's what we're all working towards. And let's not any of us jeopardise that by some of that behaviour that we saw last night.